Good morning, crafters, and welcome to Creative Moments by G. I'm Georgia, and guess what time it is? It's Paper Pumpkin time! We are so excited about the July Paper Pumpkin 2020. Oh my goodness! It has Ferris Wheel, stars, starburst. It makes tea lights and cards. You are going to love this set. So let's head down to the crafting table and let's get started. Look at this kit. We have so many cute things. We have fireflies in 2 different colors. We have adorable little lanterns that punch out that you can hang from your card. We have the Ferris wheel, and then we have all these beautiful stamps. We have a little stamp pad, Blackberry Bliss. Of course, we have some beautiful jars that are made out of vellum. We have our card fronts, our tea sacks, and some envelopes, and these adorable stars. So let me show you what we were able to create. Now remember, we added some additional stamp sets that I'll list below this video, but they are so darn cute. I think you will love them. Let's look at this card. Do you see what we did? We took one of the big mason jars made out of vellum. We added some of our fireflies on the inside, and then look, we used our punch. Remember our little jar punch? We punched out the saying. We have another little firefly coming out, and then look at the inside. Now this is very unique. We took that starburst and we simply taped half of it up, and then we inked it up. We left the tape on so that when we stamped, we got this bottom to look just like that. Isn't that cute? Turned out so cute. It's amazing what you can do with a little tape. So here's one. The next one that we made, we decided to bring in the moon. So we used our Stampin' Pads and a variety of colors to get our moon going up there. We layered on their card front. We punched out a little jar using our punch, and we cut out some of the fireflies. Look at that. We used our Nouveau gel to create cute little bodies for our fireflies, and then we brought in some grass from another stamp set. What do you think? This is a top fold. Look at that. So cute. Now the next one, we decided to do something that they could actually sit on their desk, right? And we simply made a step card. We added our Ferris wheel, a couple of mats here, and then look what we did. We used our tea light sack, and we actually sponged on the design. We used it like a stencil, and then we went over with our Nouveau drops and we let it dry. Isn't that cute? And then of course you can open it up, and we used our starburst with their saying. So cute. And I love this one because you could actually put this on your desktop as a decoration. Now we decided to go ahead. We love our belly bands here, don't we? So we created a belly band, and we took this saying, "Let's celebrate you," from our Celebrate Sunflower kit. And I want to remind you that all the supplies will be listed below, but you can also head on over to creativemomentsbyg.com if you want to buy it from there. So we invite you to do that. And we also want to just take a moment and invite you to subscribe to our channel. We would love you to be part of our sunflower family. So we created this belly band, and we decorated this card with some of the wonderful DSP. It gave you a different feel. I mean, this is so beautiful. Can you see that shine? It has the dark color, and then it has the metallic gold. So pretty. And this just works perfectly. It's a little bit different feel of a card. but you just slide that belly band right on it. Next, we decided to take some of the lanterns and hang from a branch that we picked up from another stamp set. Isn't that cute? Now, the way we got our little lines right here is we used a gold gel pen. Isn't that cute? And then we stamped it on the inside using our starburst. Next, we used this one. We picked up our DSP and we created our own background for up here. Look at this adorable little lantern that you get with this paper pumpkin kit. Isn't that cute? And then we went ahead and we cut this out and we used an embossing folder to give it some texture. We used the stamp with the kit, and then we stamped the inside and put two little cute lantern jars right there. Isn't that adorable? And remember, we're using all the colors that actually coordinate very well with this. And the colors that you're supposed to use are Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, Night of Navy, White, and Blackberry Bliss. Now, here is such a happy, happy card. Look at these beautiful colors. We love this color palette. We also took our Poppy Parade and we ran it through the embossing folder. So pretty. We created a couple circles. We used that starburst again, and we used the tea light sack to create a stencil to go over and pick up some colors. We also stamped our little buggy guy here, right? Our little firefly, and we put a little jar that has a firefly on it. Such a happy, happy card. We used that technique again where we just put tape on the bottom half of this stamp and then stamped it up and went ahead and used it just like that. You light up my life. Isn't that a happy, happy card? I love that card. We also decided to make a diagonal cut on a card. So we simply took their background and we used our diagonal cut. We used our Let's Celebrate You again with the Celebrate Sunflower stamp set. We stamped our little sunburst, but this time we made sparklers out of them. Isn't that pretty? And it's a top fold, and then we just brought in some starburst down here. And finally, we love this card. Look at this. We took one of the jars and we cut a section out of it and made a much smaller jar. Isn't that adorable? And then we simply put a saying right across the top. You'd never know that it was cut apart. We added some foliage right here from another stamp set. Isn't that pretty? And we also used some little fireflies. And look, don't you just love that saying? We love that saying. Oh, the summer nights are all alight with everything magic and bright. So here are our paper pumpkins for July 2020. Well, thank you so much for sharing your time with us today. We hope you liked our paper pumpkin alternatives. We always have so much fun putting these together. Well, listen, go out, be safe, be healthy, be creative in your crafting, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.